Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in previous video, I showed you exactly how I can verify your Exness account. I showed you how you can actually verify your email address. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a complete verification for your Exness account. Let me show you. When I click on my profile, then I go over to settings. I'm going to exactly show you exactly what I did. As you can see, I just did a basic verification. So I've done 2 out of 3, so it's remaining only 1, and the deposit limit I have is around $3,000. So I'm going to be showing you how you can expand your deposit limit. And if you check over here, verify address, so I can't verify the address right now. They said I have to ensure I do a deposit of 3,000 before I can get the complete verification. So let me show you exactly how I can do it in 2025. So let me go over to deposit. So I'm going to click on this deposit option over here, deposit option, then scroll down a little bit. So it's very simple and very straightforward. So as you can see, we have a lot of deposit methods available for us. So but if you want to use Neteller or Skrill, we are going to ensure that we get all the complete, like all our verification complete. So I'm going to click on Neteller to show you how we can easily verify our identity. As you can see, if we are choosing Neteller, we cannot be able to use Neteller because our address is not fully verified. So I'm going to click on verify my profile over here, and it's going to take me back to my profile section to be able to verify my address, to be able to have a lot of deposits. So over here, if you check, I've done email verification, phone verification, personal verification, economic profile. So the next one that I'm supposed to do is to do address verification, which can either be utility bill, statement of account, affidavits or certificate of residence, tax invoice or certificate of ITN. So, and any government issue, residential issue. So but I'm going to be using back statement because I think it's very simple and very straightforward. And if you check the guideline, I'm supposed to do make the screenshot to be able to show my name, address. So it is very important that you show your name and your address. So like if you are uploading any document, ensure the document is in a box that is provided for you so that your account can be fully verified. So I'm going to scroll down, then actually click on upload a proof of residential document. So click on it and go over to my download file, download over here. Then I'm going to find the document I actually download to my laptop. So I'm going to find it over here, scroll down a little bit. So this is the document, which is the customer statement. Click on it, then open. So I'm going to open it. Meanwhile, I'm going to actually blur this information now because it's again used to policy to be showing your personal information. So as you can see, I'm going to submit this particular document to get my account verified. So I'm going to click on submit. Then as you can see, the identification submitted. So let me click on submit document. So it's going to take like a 3 to 7 minutes for them to verify my identity, or sometimes it might take up to 24 hours for them to do the verification. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for you to get the account verified, then I will show you the aftermath of the verification. So and when I go back to my profile, as you can see, account verification completed. So over here the status said fully verified and unlimited deposit. So as you can see, I can be able to deposit a lot of money on this platform. So all the 3 steps have been completed: the personal verification, identity verification, and residential address verification. So let me show you one thing that is going to open up. So whenever you've done your verification and you want to deposit, you can use any payment method to do your deposit, which I'm going to be doing in the next video. So I'm going to click on deposit to show you how it works. So mind you, if you want to get this verification, you have to ensure that the name on your card, like on your national ID card, actually tally with your name on that particular ID, and the address. Maybe you are using statement of account. Currently I use Kuda for this verification, so you have to ensure that the name on that particular address is tally, and also the residential address you are using also tally. So as you can see, right now I can be able to use Skrill to do a deposit to this platform. So in consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can use all these payment methods to do a deposit to Exness for you to start trading. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you exactly how this platform works. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be able to see how you can use all these payment methods like bank transfer, the card, and different methods to do a deposit to Exness. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.